Now, just a little bit of fun stuff I want to share with you, because I know everything has got quite a serious slant to it at the moment. But one of the things that I have shared with students over the years is a little first aid kit. So I've set this first aid kit up for us at Balla Balla, and it's called the COVID-19 Isolation First Aid Kit. Now, the first thing in your first aid kit is, this is a sword. It may look like a toothpick, but it's actually a sword. And this sword is to help you slice through everything that stands in your way in the next couple of weeks. No laughter from you, Andy. The next thing is an eraser. And the eraser is to erase all the mistakes that we may make. Because remember, we've never done this before. The third thing is a dice, because sometimes things just come down to the roll of a dice. We need to be flexible and accepting in regards to everything, including our mental health. The next thing, this tiny little thing here, so I'm just trying to get my fingers around it, it's a little peg. Now the peg is to hold everything together when you feel like it's falling apart. But I would go a little bit further. This may actually be really important when you're isolated with your family. It may be to peg your lips together because you're tired of hearing what other people have to say, and you're scared you might say something that you may regret. So get a peg, a bigger one than this, and you can peg your lips together.
Have you got one for my wife?
She may say, there's one for you.
She more than a peg.
Now, we've got here, it's not a 10-cent piece, it's actually a 5-cent piece, but we don't have those anymore. So it's a 10-cent piece to help you meet budget. So if things are getting a little bit tight, that 10 cents may help you in the next couple of weeks as well. A marble for when you feel like you're losing yours. A rubber band. I hope yours doesn't break, but that's when you feel like you're being stretched beyond your limitations. And last but not least, a smiley face. Because when it gets really tough, try and put on your smiley face. Try and connect to your family, your friends, your community. We can do this. We're doing it in a different way. We can and we will, and we'll come out of this much stronger, and we'll certainly be better at technology. I can guarantee you of that. So have a great day. From Andy and I, it's a bye-bye till next week.